Kickstart your day with a waist slimming morning workout that activates your core. These exercises help reduce belly fat and increase daily calorie burn. Rise, move, and conquer your goals.
Up next, arm reach lunge. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Rest time. Up next, back squeeze. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Rest time. Up next, walk downs. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Rest time. Up next, bird dog. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Rest time. Up next, butt kicks. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Rest time. Up next, cat and cow. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Hit it. That's what I'm talking about.
6,
Wait. Okay, now, from the beginning.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Rest time. Up next, deadlifts. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
1,
Okay, now,
2,
from the beginning.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Rest time. Up next, flutter kicks. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Rest time.
Okay, now. Are you ready?
Up next, high knee jacks. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Rest time. Up next, heel touches. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Rest time. Up next, hip swirls. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Rest time. Up next, lateral taps. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Rest time. Up next, knee hit. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Rest time. Up next, knee hit. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Rest time. Up next, plank. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Rest time. Up next, reverse crunches. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Rest time. Up next, slow star jumps. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You have successfully completed all the exercises. Good job! Please share this video workout with people you think should do this workout too.